Hello traders, how are you doing? Actually, I'm recording this video at the middle of the night. As you can see, it is 12:34 a.m. and I'm going actually to be explaining what is a spread. And the reason I've recorded this video is just because of what I'm going to explain in this video. Now, what is a spread? Is very simple. Spread actually is the cost of let's say it's just the cost that you pay for broker to the broker for you to trade, but you don't pay directly. It is just, for example, when you place a trend, your trend will start in a negative form. Okay, for example, let me just show you example over here. Let's assume, okay, where is the spread actually in this trend that you see right here? These are the, where is my mark? let me show you the let me show you them. Let me turn on the brush. These are the spreads. You can see here we have 60, we have 231, we have 19, we have 40, we have 50, we have 751. So those are spread. So that means that is 781 pips, 61 pips, 89 pips, 50 pips. So for example, when you place a trend right now at the middle of night, you can see it's very dangerous because the spread is very high. You're going to pay a lot of fee and your trend is going to start negative, very negative. So you can see actually what is the difference between this and this one. Just check over here between buy and sell, low and that high. You can see 7.00901, and that is 1000. So you can see it's very high. That's a very high difference when you buy actually. For example, let me buy using this. You see how negative it will start. You open new order. I'm going to be using a lot size of 0.1 so you can understand, or maybe I can just use 1 so that you can just understand this. So I'll, with a negative of 700 pips, yeah, with a negative of 700 pips, let's just buy at the market price. So where is it? So it's here. Actually, let me just close this market. So this is just at the demo account. I don't know where when I place these trends. I don't know where or what time I place this trend. Let me just close them so that I can explain well what I mean by the spread here. I'm going to close and repeat again, and I want to show you how the market will start in a very negative way, because that is the fee you have to incur. So actually it's not even advisable to trade at middle of the night, because you can see the spread is very high. You can see 781 pips. Okay, you long press this one, you click new Honda, and then you buy. Let's just buy, and you see it will start at negative. Marved. You can see negative 111 pips, negative $111. Okay, so you can see actually that's very high. That's very high. So that is the fee you have to pay. So it's that in a negative form. Yeah. So the other one that we can talk about over here is this. You can see. So actually, when you are trending in the middle of the day, maybe during the day, the pips, for example, the spread of Euro USD, is Euro USD here. The spread for these coins like Australian dollar and US dollar, you can see actually the spread is high, 38 pips, but normally it is between 19, so it's actually 2 times of it, which is very high. If you are trading with high lot size, then you're going to experience a lot of that very high amount of money, because that is $3 if you are using the lot size of 0.1. So my point is that the lot size is actually almost the fee that you pay, but you don't pay directly. This is why your market will start in a negative. For example, when you execute the market, you execute the trend instantly. So that is what we call the spread. The spread, and you can get the spread between the low and high. So if you just do the difference between these two, you get the spread. If you just use the difference between these, you get the spread. Okay, and that is very easy on how to do just that. So you have, and the best time is to trade actually is maybe from 4 a.m. to 6 p.m. That is when you get a good spread. Otherwise, this for midnight here, some coin will just frustrate you very hard. Okay, and yeah, so you can see it is not even moving because the market is the middle of the night. There are some transaction, banks are closed, and some people are asleep actually, and all that sort of manners. Okay, so the best time to trend is between 4 a.m. and 6 p.m. Okay, now you got that. You have gotten what is spread and the best time to trend. See you next time. Subscribe to this channel. Don't forget, if you just want to trend very well, make sure that you join the link in description below to join the best broker that you can just to fund your account and deposit at least minimum of $5 before this September. After September, I'm not going to train anymore because the September, this is where I'm going to be training people for free. But make sure that you register, verify your account, fund at least $5, and I'm going to train you for free and until you know everything. I'm free all this time. Okay, see you next time. Goodbye.